What is up, guys? It's your boy Awesome Ethan 9000 back with another awesome video. And so you know how this video right here of the working Minecraft Thunderbolt tornado siren whatever has 131,000 views and 64 likes and 134 dislikes. I should make a second one, right? Because then I'd get like more views, you know? So I'm gonna be building a 2001 I don't know. So let's just get this started. Now where's Minecraft at? Oh, I went too far. Alright. It's not working. There we go. Alright. Oh, just ignore that. Just ignore that. You never saw that, okay? You just never saw that, right? You never saw that. Alright, so it's taking forever. I'll just cut until I get into world. Okay guys, I'm back, and just in case you didn't know, I have this whatever skin pack. I'm gonna be a villager. Yeah. You look so funny. Wait, I'm gonna be an axolotl. I'm a helicopter. Okay. So now we're an axolotl. This is a really cool skin pack. Now, and you might notice I'm playing on an older version of Minecraft right now. I'm playing on the last version, the Nether update version, instead of caves and cliffs. You might notice, but just ignore it. No one cares. So, oh, it was on third person. So, oh god, look at all that trash. Okay, so, I'm gonna, oh god, I'm fat. So, we're gonna be building a 2001 siren. Just, yeah. Here we go. Creative mode. Oh god, my brightness. There we go. That's way better. Now we could definitely see amazingly. Let's do this. Bing bong bing 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 bang bang. Okay, I'm not gonna sing that song. It's hard to sing. Let's just, okay, it already done. Ocelots show creepers who's boss. Like, I didn't know that. Come on, a game. I've been playing you for like 4 years. I know how this works. Okay. As you could see right here, I'm an axolotl. It looks weird when I swim, so I'm not gonna try that. So it's gonna be for decoration. It's not gonna... Stupid freaking gnat on the screen. Get away. Anyways. It's not gonna be working, functioning. It's just gonna be... yeah. So first I'm gonna make a poll. This time it's not gonna be short and you guys won't you guys won't complain. Like freaking ungrateful people. So you want to grab those 2 blocks, only those. Okay, that's in the way, so move that. So, ooh, village, I could build it here. Okay. Now we're in a village, and there's a floating island over there. That's weird. This is a pretty big village. So, since it'll fit the theme, I'm just gonna build it here, I guess. Okay. So, look at my paper towel. It looks so stupid. It looks so stupid, my paper doll. It's hilarious. I'm an axolot. So, it's about the siren, not the axolot. It's just that the axolots are cute, and I love them. Wait, isn't that illegal? An axolotl and freaking... Oh god, that's way too high. Oh god, break it. Break it. It's way too high. Okay, I don't think their poles are that high. They're high, but not that freaking high. Break all that. Alright, that's a bit taller. Yeah, that's good. So you want to do this. There's an Enderman in there. Okay, if we can't get distracted by the stupid Enderman, just do what I do, basically. Do this like several times. You know. 3, 4. Okay, now it looks like okay. Actually, I need to start over. Okay, okay, I'll just... Okay, so, you want to get like that. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. You want to do that, and then you want to go around it. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I keep on. Okay, 4. Then you want to go around it, 2 more times. 1, 2. No. I hate playing on Pocket Edition. 2, 3, 4. So, then we do it one more time. 1, 2. 3. Oh, oops. 4. Okay. No, I didn't mean to do that. And then go up, like 4 times. Or, no, 5 times. Like that. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you basically just go all around that. I'll cut. So, just copy what you see on the video when it's done. Oh my god, why won't it do that? And done. And then you just wanna fill in. Oh my. It's so hard playing on this version of the game, and I don't know how to record on the Switch, so this is crap. Cause my phone's calibration is all messed up and crappy, so it all sucks. So yeah. You could either take all that time to fill it in for no reason, or just do it like a normal person and leave it hollow. Because it's not really... Well, it's just for decoration. Declaration, that's what it sounded like. Okay, where the heck is this the middle? Okay, yeah, that's the middle. So then you want to do this. You want to do it like that. And you just want to go high 3 times. Well, actually, no, 4 times. No, I hate this game. It's so hard. Anyways, so you go, 1, okay, was that 1 already? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Actually, no, it's only 12, or only 11. And then you do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh god, it's so hard to play on this version of the game. My god. Okay, and then go up like 10 with this. I'll take like a million hours doing this, so might as well just skip through it. Update, guys. You actually want to go oh wait. Okay, oh my god. So you actually want to go this high and not the other high I was talking about. So yeah, just do what I do. Okay, finally guys. After 10 million painful hours, I finally did it. Oh no. Well, yeah, finally I did it. So don't go in the comments going, this freaking is so big. So don't do that, because it's annoying. Now, to build the horn. You're gonna... Okay, I actually don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, this is confusing. So just follow what I do. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So just follow what I do. I'm kind of tired. Sorry guys, just really tired. Okay. That's good. Oh, no, guys, don't do this. Just this. There we go. So after you do this might look crappy. You do it 4 more times. I'll just cut to where I did that. Okay guys, after you did this, sorry guys, I'm kind of tired. Alright, that's better. Alright guys, so after you did this, you're gonna, hang on, you're gonna do that, do that another 3 times, go around here, yeah, actually do that. do that with all the corners. Do that with every single corner you see when you do that. So do this with every corner, and I'll cut to you when it's done. Okay, so it should look like this, and we're almost done with this build. All you gotta do is go into the very middle, or anywhere, I don't really care, and do that. And then, go around like that. Oh my god. This is the last part of the build, guys. Wait, hang on. Gotta do some measurements here. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay, that's like that. You just follow what I do. And don't be like, oh, it's too big. Too big. Well, I don't care. Okay. And nobody else really cares about your comment. And that's it for the tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, smash like button down below, and peace.